Hi, I'm David Ienna from Fairmax Law. A common question we get from clients is, will I be able to get credit after filing for bankruptcy? The good news is yes, you can, but there are important things you need to know about acquiring debt after bankruptcy. Today, I'll explain how to rebuild your financial profile and what to watch out for when taking on new debt. After bankruptcy, lenders may see you as a higher risk borrower. However, this doesn't mean you won't be able to get credit. In fact, many people start rebuilding their credit within months of receiving a discharge. Let's go over how you can acquire new debt wisely. One of the easiest ways to begin rebuilding your credit is with a secured credit card. Unlike traditional credit cards, secured cards require a deposit that acts as your credit limit. Using it responsibly and making on-time payments can quickly improve your credit score. A credit builder loan is another great option. With this type of loan, the lender holds your borrowed funds in an account while you make payments. Once you've paid off the loan, you receive the money, and your timely payments help rebuild your credit history. After bankruptcy, you might receive offers for credit cards or loans with high interest rates. Be cautious. While these can help rebuild your credit, carrying high balances with excessive interest can quickly put you back into financial trouble. Acquiring new debt is about balance. The goal is to demonstrate responsible credit use while avoiding excessive debt. Keep your credit utilization low and pay off balances in full whenever possible to avoid interest charges. Rebuilding your financial future takes time, but with the right strategy, you can qualify for larger loans, such as car financing or even a mortgage, within a few years of filing for bankruptcy. At Fairmax Law, we help clients not only through the bankruptcy process, but also in planning for financial success afterward. If you have questions about acquiring new debt after bankruptcy or want guidance on improving your credit, contact us today for a free consultation. Bankruptcy is a fresh start, not the end of your financial future. Reach out to Fairmax Law and let us help you rebuild with confidence.